name's Ruth. I'm Ruth. I farm Red Mie with my husband Stuart. We've farmed here for 6 years now as Red Mie. So we chose the name Red Mie. It means good thing in Manx. So Rud is thing, Mie is good. You might have come across Mie quite frequently in words such as faster Mie and Moromai. It's a nice, easy to pronounce name in Manx, and also there's lots of farms with very similar names in the area, and we wanted something to stand out and be a little bit different. With it meaning good thing, we like to think that we do good things here and create good things. The heritage is extremely important to us. We farm Lockton, and that was partly because the importance of the heritage of the Alaman being preserved for the future generations. So I've always enjoyed languages, and when I was at school we didn't really get the chance to learn Manx, which was a big shame. It's very different now, and we do try and incorporate Manx where we can. We have a beautiful product, it's very popular, and it's chili millish, which is chili in Manx, and millish means sweet, so we sweet pickle the chilies. It's candied chilies. We use typically jalapenos, but we can use other chilies for a hotter or a milder version, and it goes really well with cheese. So we think the Isle of Man is a really magical place, and some of the things that make it so special are the use of Manx language, and everybody supports local. We've got some fantastic local produce, we've got a wonderful community, families are all close by, and it's all those things that just give a really, really lovely feel to living here and working here. And the fact that we've got so much beautiful local produce that we can enjoy, that just adds to it, and we're really proud to be part of it.